Well, here's one of many for the Classic Legends auction. 1955 Ford Thunderbird, finished in a lovely black with a red and white interior. I am picturing it, getting it ready for getting it listed, but let's do a quick walk around and check out some stuff on it. And man, I do like this car. 55, as most know, was the first year of the Thunderbird, and it has the, of course, iconic air cleaner bump, which is real. It is open to the air cleaner. Got the white wall tires with the hubcaps. Got your V8 badge. On the interior here, we've got the, see if I can show you, the translucent speedometer. Got a mechanical driven tack. And the steering column, like this. Let's see if I can remember. I think I just tighten it up. Yep. Loosen it up, and it is telescoping. And I tell you what, this thing has one of the loudest horns of any car I've ever heard. It's kind of crazy. It does have an aftermarket underdash AC unit. Radio is missing, as is the clock. Climate control there. It is the Ford-O-Matic, I think. I'd have to double check on that, but it is the automatic transmission. You got the hood lever here. Take a look under the hood. Under here, we've got the Ford Y-Block. This is a 292. And it does have still the Ford, I think they call it the tea kettle carburetor. Let me start it up real quick. For some reason, the ignition switch is a little finicky, so sometimes I gotta come under here and jump the relay. And it does have the 4-way power seats, manual crank windows. It's funny, I'm 6'2", and it's kind of a tight squeeze. Thankfully, the roof is off because my head hits the roof. Now let's drive this back to the shop. The brakes need to be bled. I did get them to work, but they're a little squishy. Like a fair amount of these cars has been sitting for a little bit, so it could probably use for a tune-up. There we go. And there you go. There's the 1955 Ford Thunderbird.